When it comes to smartphone software updates, most companies usually focus on performance fixes or minor improvements. But every now and then, an update arrives that actually changes how people interact with their devices. And that's exactly what Honor is trying to achieve with its February 2026 MagicOS update. Honor has officially begun rolling out a special seasonal firmware update for its MagicOS-powered smartphones and tablets. And this release is far more than a routine system patch. Designed around the celebration of the Spring Festival, the update introduces smarter artificial intelligence tools, personalization features, and lifestyle-focused upgrades that aim to make smartphones feel more intelligent and helpful in everyday situations. Let's break down everything new and why this update could be one of Honor's most interesting software releases yet. A celebration update with real functionality. MagicOS 10 already introduced several AI-driven capabilities across Honor devices. However, this February update builds on that foundation by combining Festive customization with practical smart features. Instead of adding cosmetic changes alone, Honor has focused on improving real-world usability through its AI ecosystem, especially the company's virtual assistant, YOYO. This update is currently rolling out to a wide range of devices, including the Magic 8 series, Magic 7 lineup, Magic V foldable phones like the V5, V3, and V2, along with several models from Honor's digital number series up to the Honor 100 lineup. So millions of users are expected to receive these new capabilities. Magic Capsule gets smarter. One of the first noticeable upgrades comes to Honor's Magic Capsule, which acts as a smart notification hub. With the February update, Magic Capsule now delivers travel-focused reminders specifically designed for the Spring Festival travel season. One of the busiest travel periods of the year, users can now receive automatic reminders for train departures, flight schedules, class taxi bookings, travel timing alerts. Instead of manually checking apps or confirmations, important journey information appears instantly on the device interface, helping users stay organized during busy travel days. YOYO Assistant becomes much more intelligent. The real highlight of this update is the upgraded YOYO AI Assistant. Honor has significantly expanded YOYO's capabilities, transforming it from a simple voice assistant into something closer to a proactive digital companion. One standout feature is 24-hour airfare monitoring. Users can now allow YOYO to track airline ticket prices continuously. If ticket prices drop, the assistant instantly sends a notification, potentially helping travelers save money without constantly checking booking websites. This kind of automation shows Honor's growing focus on AI-powered convenience rather than traditional assistant commands, AI video creation in one tap. Another major addition is AI-powered greeting video generation. Using the new YOYO tools, users can create personalized New Year greeting videos almost instantly. The process is extremely simple. 1. Activate the YOYO Assistant. 2. Open the YOYO Fun Pictures section. 3. Select AI-generated video. 4. Choose a preferred template. After uploading a photo, the system automatically generates a customized Festive video complete with animations and effects. This feature allows users to create social-ready content without needing editing skills or third-party apps. Become the star of the new year. Honor is also leaning heavily into personalization. With a single tap, users can transform their photos into themed festival portraits. AI enhancements can redesign images into stylized New Year visuals, giving users a unique digital identity for celebrations and social sharing. It's clear that Honor wants smartphones to become creative tools, not just communication devices. AI Fitting Room feature. One of the more unexpected additions in this update is the new AI Fitting Room. Located inside the YOYO AI Play section, this feature allows users to virtually try different outfits using AI image processing. Simply upload a photo, select clothing styles, and the system generates previews showing how outfits might look before actually wearing them. While fun for festive occasions, this feature could also become useful for online shopping decisions in the future. Festive visual enhancements. Beyond AI tools, Honor has also added several seasonal visual upgrades. These include animated fireworks lock screen themes, special festive wallpapers, 7 new horse-themed design packs, celebration-style transitions to holiday watermarks for photos. These small details help create a more immersive seasonal experience across the device. Honor's bigger AI strategy. What makes this update important isn't just the festival theme, it's what it represents. Honor appears to be moving toward an ecosystem where AI actively assists users throughout daily life. managing travel, creativity, personalization, and planning automatically. Instead of reacting to commands, the phone increasingly anticipates user needs. This aligns with the broader industry trend where smartphones are evolving into intelligent assistants powered directly on device. Final thoughts. The February 2026 MagicOS update shows that software innovation is becoming just as important as hardware upgrades. By enhancing the YOYO assistant, improving smart reminders, introducing AI content creation tools, and adding personalization features, Honor is attempting to deliver a more human-centered smartphone experience. For users already inside the MagicOS ecosystem, this update adds convenience, creativity, and smarter automation, all without requiring additional apps or services. And if Honor continues expanding these AI capabilities, future MagicOS versions could redefine how users interact with their smartphones entirely. So if your Honor device receives this update soon, it might be worth exploring every new feature. Because this isn't just another update, it's a glimpse into the future of AI-powered mobile experience.